Hey, welcome to Movement Mastery. Today's movement is the front squat. The front squat is a squat variation that puts extra stress and load on the front of your core and abdomen. There are two front squat variations that you can perform easily at home with a little bit of equipment, and I will demonstrate those for you today. First variation is a banded front squat. So let's take a look.
To perform a banded front squat, place the bottom of the super band around your feet and the top of the super band around your shoulders. Keep your chest upright and your core braced, lowering your body so that your femurs are parallel with the floor. Press into your heels every time you stand and keep your elbows at shoulder height. When performing the banded front squat, be mindful not to let your chest or shoulders fall forward. Don't let your elbows drop to chest level or let your knees fall beyond the midline of your foot.
The second front squat variation you can perform at home is using a kettlebell.
When performing a kettlebell front squat, hold the kettlebell with both arms, keeping your elbows tucked together. Place your feet hip-width apart, keeping the knees aligned over the ankles and the hips, pressing up through the heels. Keep your chest upright and your core engaged. As with the banded front squat, be mindful that you're not letting the kettlebell drop too low on your chest, that you're not letting the chest fall forward or letting your knees fall over the midline of your foot.
Front squat variation is a great variation to use if you're really looking to build core strength and focus on bracing. So good luck and have fun mastering this movement.